Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Don't forget, we got Mindspeak coming up, not this Sunday, but the following Sunday, with Professor Howard French. And he's really an expert and a deep diver into the whole China-Africa relationship. And I'm sure that's going to be extremely interesting for all of us. Let me start with some macro thoughts and a quote from Paul Virilio about what I call the crypto avocado millennial economy. And he says, wealth is the hidden side of speed, and speed the hidden side of wealth. And he's not wrong, and on that point it takes me to Bitcoin. And an interesting article in Crypto, which is Bloomberg's cryptocurrency section, saying the Bitcoin rally is masking capital flight from crypto exchanges. Lost among the current bout of cryptocurrency euphoria is the fact that capital outflows are exceeding inflows on some of the biggest digital asset exchanges. Token Analyst estimates that withdrawals from trading platforms including Bitfinex, BitMEX, Binance and Kraken have exceeded inflows by about $622 million over the past 5 days. Bitcoin's more than 30% rise since last week may have been exaggerated by capital flight from the controversial exchange Bitfinex and its affiliated stablecoin Tether, in the wake of allegations that the companies that control both commingled client and corporate funds to hide losses. Smart customers will not custody their funds on exchanges and pull their crypto off exchanges. This could put further upward pressure on Bitcoin prices, as one would rather take fake money and exchange it into Bitcoin. Token Analyst shows that Bitfinex had net outflows of more than $1.7 billion of Bitcoin and Ether from the exchange since April 26. And where are we now? We're coming off actually 7,930, having topped 8,000 not so long ago. Given that the Bitcoin market can be manipulated in such a significant way, it would not be a stretch, nor surprising, to find that manipulative activity is behind the recent run-up when the underlying market mechanics are similar to before, Griffin said. You remember, I spoke about that report that he was involved in. As I said at the end of the year, the direction of the dollar is pivotal. I was in a minority at the start of the year when I was predicting a 10% increase. This is a dollar index chart from Chi-Girl, who says it looks as if it's going to break out of that wedge. Overall, look, we're going to have these toings and froings, but it's strengthening, and at some point it will accelerate. It is the most traded currency in the world and growing according to the Bank of International Settlements. The yuan is 4% of currency trade.